What's the meaning of bicycle lane? Bicycle lane. Bicycle lane.
Bicycle lane. Bicycle lane. A bicycle lane is a designated area on a road that is reserved for bicycles. It is usually marked with special paint, symbols and sometimes physical barriers to indicate to motorists that they should not enter the lane. Bicycle lanes provide a safer and more comfortable riding environment for cyclists. They help separate cyclists from other traffic, reduce conflicts between drivers and cyclists, and make it easier for cyclists to navigate through intersections. Bicycle lanes can also promote increased cycling as a mode of transportation, which can improve public health, reduce traffic congestion, and lower greenhouse gas emissions.